Hi everyone, this is Korman. Today I'm back again with a new video. Today's video will be about mainly on OnePlus phones, based on OnePlus phones, and what are the hidden features that can be found only on the OnePlus phones. As you can see here, I'm using OnePlus 6 Snapdragon 845. It's already an 2-year-old phone, but I can say that it's more than enough usable till now. After 2 years, the charging speed, the amount of time that charge continues to stay is very much uh, needed. Now I will show you some hidden features that you can find only on OnePlus phones, and I think you can use it, and I use it personally to increase my productivity daily. And so here are the features. First, I will show you in buttons and gestures. Here you can see an option, long press to take a photo. I will show you the ones that I personally use, not the ones I don't. So here is long press to take photos. So now if you go to the camera app, and now if you hold the camera screen, it has just taken a photo like that. So it's a very good hidden feature. Then there is another thing called quick gesture. So it's a very interesting thing that is only available on OnePlus phones. You can control your music by swiping with two fingers to play or pause music. You can, as you can see here, it's written here. You can do this sign or this sign for going to the previous or next track, and it's a very cool feature. And you can also set 5 distinguish apps. If you draw O on the lock screen, means when your screen is totally turned black, V, S, as I am using S for Spotify, M for YouTube, things like that. So it's a very good feature, and I also use a 3-finger screenshot app process. And you can also use flip to mute. It's also a very handy feature, but I don't use it personally. So now another feature that I can say that I'll show you is in the utilities app, and this is the I love it very much because there is very much chance of accidental touches. So you can turn on pocket mode on, and it will the amount of accidental touches will turn off exponentially. I have used it personally, so I can tell you that. And app locker, I think everyone knows that. And OnePlus Library DC dimming, if you want to use, you can use. If you have some flickering problem with your eyes and stuff, it's a personal thing. I don't use it personally, but it's good to have that. Now this is a very good feature, which is a quick reply in landscape. I use it while gaming or while seeing a video in Netflix. It will automatically, if you click on reply, suppose someone has sent you a message and if you click reply, it will show like this. And I want everyone to use this feature. It's a very handy feature. You don't have to leave the app that you were using at that time. So it's a very good feature. And another thing I also use sometimes, that is scheduled power on off. As you can see here, if you are in office or you're going to study for a certain period of time every day, you can do this power on and off. Or you can also set it during while you sleep to make your sleep time better. And now I'm going to show you the best thing ever, that is digital well-being. As you can see here, I'm not well at all in this quarantine situation. I have used, it will show everything, what apps I have used for how many hours. Netflix 4 hours, YouTube 3.5, PUBG and stuff like that. So it's a very good feature. And two other good features of this app also are bedtime mode and focus mode. I've used the focus mode. I access both of them from here, from a drop down button. Here is the focus mode and here is the bedtime mode. So now I can customize it like this. Do not disturb grayscale. As you can see, if I click bedtime mode, everything will go into grayscale mode. And also focus mode, it will turn off all the apps that are available now. Suppose I go to here and I click focus mode. As you can see here, now all these apps are gone. All these apps are gone. The PUBG is gone. You cannot click on that. See, focus mode is on, is other or other distant posters. So it's a very good feature and everyone should use it. So that's it for today, and I will also come with more new features if I find and which I use personally. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Goodbye.